Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing what's in my bag. So this is the bag which I am recently carrying a lot, and this, in case you want to know, this is from Zara and दिखने में ये थोड़ा छोटा है but trust me इसमें सब आ जाता है जो जो मुझे चाहिए. So let's quickly dive in and see what all I carry. So the first thing which is quite visible to me is chewing gums, and I usually carry chewing gums with me, और सभी carry करते हैं. I think कुछ लोग mints carry करते हैं, कुछ chewing gums carry करते हैं. I prefer chewing gums over mints, and that is the reason I'm carrying these with me. Bad breath is literally a turn off for anybody, okay? So I think you should always carry something like this with yourself. Next thing is a sunblock. If you're following me for a while on Snapchat or Instagram, you know that I love this sunblock, and it is SPF 50 plus. It's extremely good, one of the bestest sunscreen I've ever tried. So if you're looking for a sunscreen, then Neutrogena is the brand you can trust on, and I personally love this brand for skin. I always carry a sunblock with me irrespective of the weather. Sunblock is one thing you should always carry with you, and that is the reason I'm carrying this with me. And next is a mascara. ऊपर ऊपर ही मिल गया. तो again mascara is literally one thing I cannot do without when it comes to makeup. तो mascara मैं हमेशा carry करती हूँ. I love using mascara. अभी मैंने लगा रखा है थोड़ा सा. So a mascara. Next I carry a clutcher and a rubber band, basic black color, because I'm in a profession where you need to be a little, basic, because if you are too fancy, people are gonna judge you and they'll be like you're not professional and stuff. So something basic. Yeah, that's the reason I carry a black basic rubber band and a clutcher. Next I have with me is a sanitizer which is almost over. I need to replace this one. हम सभी आजकल ये carry कर रहे हैं because of the pandemic, और करना भी चाहिए. So sanitizer. Next I have with me is a lip gloss. This one is from the Body Shop, and it is tinted, it is glossy, so I need not to carry a lipstick separately. One thing I literally cannot do without is a lipstick, and it serves the purpose of both. Like, it works as a lipstick, it works as a gloss, it works as a tint, whatever you wanna. It literally depends on you how you use it. So I use this, and whenever I feel like my lips are a little dry and chapped, I use this over my lips, and my lips literally looks so delicious after using this one. So I carry a gloss with me. Next thing is this. तो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि खाने का टाइम नहीं मिलता, ठीक है, तो ऐसी चीज़ें बहुत काम आती हैं. टॉफ़ीज़, चॉकलेट्स, बिस्किट्स, और देने के भी बहुत काम आती हैं. व्हेन एवर यू सी पीपल ऑन रोड, जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे होते हैं सड़क पर, तो उनको दे देते हैं. तो आई कैरी ऐसा कुछ विद मी एवरी टाइम आई स्टेप आउट, सो दैट या तो मैं खा लूँ या कोई और खा ले. सो नेक्स्ट इज़ अ कोम. दिस इज़ अ वुडन कोम, एंड सभी कैरी करते हैं कोम, इसमें क्या एलैबोरेट करूँ. सो नेक्स्ट इज दिस scrunchie which looks more like a pom-pom, but this is scrunchie, and whenever I feel fancy I just use this, and I don't know how to elaborate a scrunchie, but जो भी है यही है scrunchie. Okay, so the next thing I can see in my bag is this is a hand cream. This one is from Bath and Body Works. It smells so delicious, you guys. It smells so heavenly, and I just love this one. Okay, whenever I'm short of my perfume, I use this all over my skin and I'm good to go, because the smell is so good. बिल्कुल भी dryness नहीं होती इसको लगाने के बाद. It has shea butter to it, I think. Yes, it has shea butter to it, which keeps your hands super soft and good looking. So hand cream is a must for me. Okay, so the second last thing I can see in my bag is this earphones, AirPods, whatever you call them. So बहुत ज़रूरी है. It literally saves you from the bullshit यू नो बाहर बहुत लोग होते हैं, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट में काफ़ी काम आते हैं, ठीक है, तो ये कैरी कर लेती हूँ मैं. You gotta carry them. And the last thing in my bag is this is a perfume, and in case you want to know, this is from Zara. I love all the fragrances from Zara, but this one is like my ultimate favorite these days. Perfume is one thing I never forget to carry in my bag, because you should always smell good, okay? And it literally smells so good. I just love this one. So that's it. और ये अलग से दिया हुआ है इसके अंदर. I carry some cash and few cards in this, my identity cards and stuff. So बाकी इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, और अगर आप लोग मुझे ट्रस्ट नहीं करते तो मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ, इसमें बाकी कुछ भी नहीं बचा है. So that's that. और I think इसमें सब आ जाता है यार, तो मैं छोटे बैग्स ही कैरी करती हूँ. As I told you guys, I'm extremely skinny, so I do not prefer to carry tote bags. I just do not like carrying tote bags anymore. So a small bag. That was my what's in my bag. So that was my what's in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, okay? Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It would literally mean the absolute world to me. Bye.